Hello, and welcome to another update video about gold. So we talked in previous videos about these two bullish scenarios, one of them in orange, which would allow for a deeper pullback but still bullish outcome. The other one, basically here, the white scenario, which allowed for one more high in wave 5 of C of circle wave 5. It looks a little bit as if this one is currently unfolding. So while I cannot rule out that this is like an extension of orange wave 1, yeah, it looks more like the white count. Even though it is a very complex structure, so far the wave count wasn't full, and we specifically highlighted here that this support area keeps the white count intact, and it's now forming a new high. And structurally, I'm tracking a diagonal pattern, A, B, C in wave 1. We have a wave 2 pullback, A, B, C in wave 3. The thing is, this was quite short for a C wave in wave 3. Because it didn't quite reach the 100% extension of the initial A wave. It's not a must, but when we have an ABC structure in a third wave, then we normally take the length of the A wave, we go to the low of the B wave, and the 100% extension is normally the ideal target. Didn't quite get there. That's around 2,780. So I cannot rule out, that this is still wave C of 3, but this pullback was quite deep to be part of the internal C wave of wave 3. So I assume this is the fourth wave. It was a bit shallow for a fourth, but everything's okay. And then the fifth wave could now send us higher. And let's put that into place. That would complete a larger degree third wave. Then at least that's my view at the moment. So far, this uptrend is intact. And we're tracking this as an A, B, C structure. Yeah. And then these targets that you see here, they are measured based on the initial length of the A wave, and we compare that with the potential rally of the C wave here. And that's why we talked about this target box as the next target box, and clearly the price reacted, because it also ranged all the way up to the 100% extension, which is an ideal target for that C wave that we're tracking. So reminder, A wave up, B wave down, C wave up, and that C wave is now unfolding. And with that high now, it's quite full, and 2,782 will be next resistance. It can go higher than that, and then we are dealing with 2,828. So that means we're now in this initial target area. The 2,782 level is the next one, and then we'll see if it even stretches higher. But for now, we'll see how the price reacts to 2,782 next. How long, or what would be a signal that this local uptrend is over? Well, it would be a break below the last low, right? 2,715 would be an indication then that a larger top has formed in this larger third wave. Well, if that's the case, then we are going to deal with this larger fourth wave, okay, which can be quite substantial. Now, the thing is, because this here would be circle wave 5, so a fifth wave to the upside, yeah, it should even, so on top of what I just showed you, it should move above the circle 3 high, and that was at around 2,800. So that makes us consider maybe something different, because if you consider that this move up as an ABC structure, while that's all correct, what I told you, locally in terms of targets, everything okay, the question is this really going to be all of the third wave? And if we don't get a healthy move up above the third wave high that formed in October, we might get further extensions. The question is just, how would these extensions look like? Because it's likely going to be an ABC structure. Now, what we will need to deal with probably in the next videos, and in this video I just want to give you a short-term outlook, but this ABC here, it might not be all of circle 5. It might just be the larger A wave of circle 5. Then we get a larger B wave and then a C wave up. Okay, so that would give us a healthy fifth wave. But we will talk about that once we see evidence for a local top. that's probably something for the next video. We cover gold nearly every day anyway, or every couple of days. So yeah, just a quick update. So hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, feel free to check out our stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.